So what's up, Archie? I'm gonna teach you how to draw an eye. So first draw a circle and box and the arc. Just do it like this. I'm not angry, I'm excited. And then mold it. And draw a circle at the corner of an eye. By the way, this is the guidelines. And give the details, like coloring circles and the surrounding of an eye. Sorry for my English, because this is not my first language. Okay, just add layers. When you add the details, even small details, FYI, details, not details. Then smudge it out. Add a little kiss at the corner and add mustard. Oh, wow, British accent. Mustard, okay, like this, and the darker color because of the shadow. It's not flat, okay, it's gonna be 3D effect, like realism, yeah. Then smudge it out like when you're doing makeup, okay? And if you don't do your makeup right now, and it's okay, you're beautiful, darling. Or darker, please. And of course, the arc, because this eye is a hooded eye. Shake it up. The shadow from the eyelids. Smudging and darker and darker color. Please stay with me, even this is my voice, okay? My voice is gonna be shaken because I want to be a funny one of the voice recorder. Despite my drawing, not professional, but please stay with me, okay? Oh, so I'm gonna tell you the fact that most of my viewers in this channel is from Philippines. And I knew that is Filipinos, right? Filipinos and Filipinas. You're so amazing. I'm so grateful with that. I'm so grateful to you, all of you. Please stay with me. Even in other country, I'm so grateful. Thank you very much. Okay, so I'm not crying. I'm so grateful because you're part of my support. Okay, back to this art. Okay, smudging and add highlighters to the eye because of the light. Okay, the light. When there's a shadow, there's a light. Okay, I have tons of okay. All right, smudging out and add darker color highlighters or light colors and smudging it, like blending. Okay. And this is the layers, 7 layers, 8 layers. I'm gonna show you later how it looks like. Okay, this is the corner of our eye, like adding highlighters, like this, and add pinkish color because your eyes are not dead. So it's gonna be lively, okay? And add highlighters again. Sorry for the dogs that you heard. Okay, so add a little tiny lines and the eye and smudging or blurring it out. And this is the layers, okay? Like this. So I hope you saw it. And my signature, of course. And thank you. God bless you all. Artsky.